Hello everyone, today I am carrying the Baby Bowie by Bear & Son, and this is the Indian Bone Stag. And then I'm also carrying the Case 6.5 Bone Stag Barlow. Really nice bone handles on these. This is my first Barlow from Case and my first pattern in the 6.5 Bone Stag, and I really like it. Go ahead and get it open here. Very deep grooves. And just a very pretty color. I really like the 6.5 Bone Stag. I also really like the half stop on this Barlow. Great knife and great combo. So hope everyone's having a great Sunday, and I'll see y'all next time. Whoa, that barely stuck. Appreciate y'all for watching.